Want to check your computer or laptop UUID in Windows 11 or Windows 10 in less than 1 minute? Let's do it fast. In this video, I'll show you how to find your computer UUID using command prompt. First, go to the Start menu. Now search for CMD. Right-click on command prompt and click Run as Administrator. Once command prompt opens, type this command, wmic csproduct get UUID. Now press enter. And here it is. This is your computer UUID. UUID stands for Universally Unique Identifier. It is a 128-bit identifier that is usually assigned by the system manufacturer and stored in your computer's firmware. This UUID is commonly used to identify a specific PC or laptop, hardware management, and some software licensing systems. That's it! Now you know how to find your computer UUID in Windows. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips.